terra col tipo di cosa. Quindi io che sono in mezzo lo vedo, faccio vedere alla gente viene a piedi a sminare. Condor 1-0 qui Ares, ostacolo posizionato, passo.
Di là va. Hanno scavato per circa.
Qua non penso sia laterale. No, di sotto è chiuso. Bisogna dargli però l'inizio e la fine delle cornate. Sì.
Joo, semmoista eri.
Me ei voida ammuttaa epistä tonne.
Joo, kato.
Noniin.
Otetaan irti kärjen perästä. Voit katsoa sivulta.
The exercise Northern Stars is it's a combination of troops. It's a national exercise for the conscripts, and this time there is a strong footprint about the Allied and friends and forces. So we have troops from the UK, US, who has been strongly in the planning phase, and of course in a longer term perspective there is Italian, French, Polish and Hungarian troops. And in this combination it has been a very, very nice process to combine everything together. These exercises is very crucial for ourselves, just to make sure that we are good to go with our national perspective. Nowadays it's more and more to operate together, which means that we have to be able to be interoperable, starting from the point that you are having your troops here and then having an exercise and then redeploy them back home, and to fulfill the whole experience to both of us. The Allied forces are coming as a light infantry, so one of the main objectives for us together with the multinational battalion is that how we combine the air-land operations, because that's new element for us. We have done it last, I would say, 2 years, but still every exercise where there's a possibility to operate like the aviation task force here, it's always some kind of key takeaway that we make sure that we are good to go. And like you can listen, there is fixed wings in the air, so the coordination of air nowadays with drones, with helos, with fixed wings, it's something that in this time you really need to understand how you manage that one.